Xin chào. This means hi in Vietnamese language. Hi everyone, this is your virtual travel friend Vikramaditya and I welcome you to a brand new episode of a new destination, Vietnam. We will start the series with its capital city Hanoi, and in today's video I'll take you on a tour of this iconic city, visit some exciting and famous places, and finally share some important information on activities to be done when you are in Hanoi. So let's begin our tour and explore some important places of the city. Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam and is located in the northern geography of Vietnam, very close to China and Laos. Situated on the banks of famous Red River, the city has many attractions, but there are two neighborhoods which mainly defines this capital city of Vietnam, namely the Old Quarter and the French Quarter. Both of these areas can be explored easily on foot. Another popular area of Hanoi is West Lake District. We will start our tour exploring the vibrant streets of Old Quarter. This is definitely one of the most visited and popular areas of Hanoi. During the day, these streets are full with tourists, vendors and local people. In the Nha Chung street of Old Quarter district, you will find this famous Gothic structure called St. Joseph Cathedral. Built by French, it is an iconic place of Hanoi, definitely worth visiting. Let's move to our next attraction, Hoan Kin Lake. It's a freshwater lake in the center of the city. It's a legendary spot also considered as the heart of the Hanoi. Also known as the Sword Lake, there is an interesting history about this lake where one of the kings in the 15th century was given this magical sword by a giant turtle god to defeat his enemies. Not only the history of the lake, but the characteristics of the lake is also very interesting, where the color of the water keeps changing during the day. In the middle of the lake, there is a small island called Jade Island, which has a famous pagoda called Gok Son Temple. The area around this lake is extremely beautiful and perfect for clicking pictures and selfies. To get a nice view of the area around the lake, I would recommend to try the famous Vietnamese coffee brand Highland Coffee that is just across the road. It's quite a popular spot and gives a very nice view of the surrounding area. About 2 kilometers west of Hoan Kin Lake is another famous attraction of Hanoi, the Temple of Literature. It is the most picturesque site of Hanoi. After exploring the busy streets of Old Quarter, it's time to head towards the second important area of the city, the French Quarters, which houses most foreign embassies, government buildings and important monuments. In this part of the city, you can find upscale markets, popular international brands and shopping malls. Let's take a tour of this area. In front of us is the important building of Foreign Ministry. It's right hand side drive here in Vietnam. The gorgeous yellow color building visible from here now is the Presidential Palace, where diplomats and delegates of all countries are welcomed when they visit Hanoi on official tours. Other famous and popular attractions in the French Quarters area are Opera House, National Museum of History, Vietnamese Women's Museum and Hao Lo Prison. After exploring two main areas of Hanoi, it's time to check out the third colony called West Lake. On our way, we will see two famous attractions of Hanoi, Hanoi Flagpole and Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. On my right hand side of the road, you can see the iconic structure of Flagpole Hanoi. This 33-meter high tower is a symbol of Hanoi and was once part of World Heritage Site. My next stop was Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Named after the revolutionary leader and president Ho Chi Minh, this is extremely popular spot in Hanoi, but entry is not easy as most of the time it remains closed. So check in advance before you visit this place. Another 5 minutes drive and we reached to the scenic area of West Lake district. This area is famous because of the freshwater lake called the West Lake, which is the biggest lake of Hanoi. It's an upscale area of the city which has 5-star hotels, stylish restaurants and cafes along the shoreline of the lake. In general, it's a posh locality providing a great view around the lake and with some affluent neighborhood. There are many interesting places around the lakes, but my favorite were the lotus ponds. Similar to India, lotus is the national flower of Vietnam. To Vietnamese people, it is a symbol of purity, commitment and optimism for the future. The months of May and June are the blooming season when the entire north region of Vietnam is filled with these beautiful flowers. It's a perfect time for the locals and tourists to flock in the gardens, clicking nice pictures with an amazing background. After seeing the main attractions of Hanoi, it's time to check out some interesting things we can do in the city. First on the list is a hop-on, hop-off bus tour which can take you to all major places of the city. Second important activity you can do in Hanoi is shopping. Vietnam is a shopper's paradise. Especially check out some cool international brands which are available here at a great price. And yes, don't forget to bargain. Third on the list is the most important activity which I am sure everyone enjoys. Yes, you guessed it right. It's the variety of food options available here. Hanoi is world famous for its street food. Two signature cuisines of Vietnam are pho and banh cha, which you can find almost everywhere on the streets of Hanoi. Another interesting and highly recommended activity is to explore Vietnamese coffee. There are super cool cafes all around Hanoi where you can enjoy a nice cuppa with an amazing ambience. You must try the famous egg coffee, which is made with egg yolk, condensed milk, water and over roasted Vietnamese coffee beans. It is quite strong but definitely worth giving a shot. Another mouth-watering item on the street food menu is smoke ice cream. Made with liquid nitrogen and condensed milk, it's delicious and available in various flavors. While visiting Hanoi, you can't miss out to pay a visit to the popular beer street at Bia Hoi Junction located near the Old Quarters area. It is regarded as the quintessential night spot of Hanoi, offering a great value to the beer lovers who can get the local draft beer called Bia Hoi at a great price here. The starting price of the beer is merely 5,000 Vietnamese dong. Last on our list of activities to be done in Hanoi is to watch the water puppet show. Located near the Hoan Kiem Lake is Thang Long Theatre, where this 1-hour show is performed using the water puppets. It's an interesting act based on various themes of Vietnamese ancient culture. The entry charges start from 100,000 Vietnamese dong, plus there are additional charges for carrying flash camera and video recorders. With this, we come to an end of this episode. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like and give your feedback.